Okay, today we are working on skill work 5D, Common Core 5th grade math review. Number 1, we have 95 times 41. Okay, so we are going to multiply first with our 1. 5 times 1 is 5. 1 times 9 is 9. Then we move over to our tens place. 4 times 5 is 20. Write the 0, carry the 2. 4 times 9 is 36, plus the 2 we carried is 38. Add these together. Okay, and we get 3,895. Number 2, we have 187 divided by 2. So we set that up as a long division problem. 2 is too big to go into 1. So we don't write anything above the 1. It can go into 18 9 times. 9 times 2 is 18. Subtract, we get 0. Bring down the 7. 2 can go into 7 3 times. 3 times 2 is 6. We used to say remainder 1, but now for 6th grade, we are going to write that as 1 over 2. So 93 and 1/2. 93 and 1/2. Round each of the following numbers to the nearest tenth. So the 10th place is the first digit to the right of the decimal. So the first digit to the right of the decimal. So then you want to look at the number that is after the 10th place, the 100th place. So just to the right. If that number is 5 or higher, we round up. If that number is 4 or lower, we round down. So here in the 100th place, we have a 6, which is going to cause us to round up. So this will be 8 and 8/10. Okay, and the second number, we have 8.001. The number in the 100th place is a 0, which is less than 5. So we round it down to 8.0. Okay, here we have an 8, which is higher than 5. So we round this up. It's going to round up from 2.9 to 3.0. Okay, and then number 4, we're just writing these numbers in standard form. This will be 740,506. 740,506. And then we have 205,409. 205,409. Okay, then we have number 5. Find the rule and fill in the missing terms. We have 1 to 10, 2 to 20. So we can see that multiply by 10 is happening from this row to this row times 10. Or if you're working backwards, it will be divide by 10. So the rule going from the top row to the bottom row is multiply by 10. Okay, and then we have 1 times 10 is 10, 2 times 10 is 20, 3 times 10 is 30. Working backwards, 40 divided by 10 is 4. Working forward, 5 times 10 is 50. And then we need to graph each of those number pairs from the problem above for number 6. So 110, 220, 330, 440, 550. Let's do that. So 110, 220, 330, 440, and 550. Okay, when you get into pre-algebra, you'll learn about this being the slope of the line, so that rate of increase. Number 9 is an order of operations problem. When we have multiple sets of grouping symbols, we want to work from the inside out. So we would do the 9 times 4 and the 7 times 2 first. So 9 times 4 is 36. 7 times 2 is 14. Bring down the brackets, bring down the plus sign, bring down the minus 10. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. Write the 0, carry the 1. 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So we have 50 minus 10, which is 40. Okay, number 8 is a compare with less than, greater than, or equal to. So this would be, if you think of these like money, it can be helpful for comparing place value. This would be $82.01. This would be $82.01. So this would be greater on the left. $82.01 will be greater than $82.01. This would be $253.07. This would be $253.71. So the 71 cents would be larger than the 7 cents. The whole numbers are the same, 253, 253. So we're just comparing the decimals. This would be 0.5 cents or 0.005, 5 thousandths. This is 5 wholes. Obviously, the whole number is larger than the decimal. So this is just a review, Common Core Common Core fifth grade math, 5D.